Hi guys, this is Biswajit Tripathi, and today we are going to learn how to create a word cloud using R programming. Okay, so to use R program, we'll be using R Studio ID for that. So let me launch the ID first. So before going into programming, first we'll know what is a word cloud. Word cloud is nothing but it is an image which is composed of some words that belongs to a particular subject or text. Okay, and those words are based on the frequency, and based on the frequency you'll be able to visualize and understand what are the importance of that those words in a particular text or subject. Okay, so let me create a new file where we'll write the R script. Okay, so this is our programming window, and this is the console part. Okay, and here we can see all our variables, and here we'll see the plots. Okay, so first what we'll do, to create a word file we'll first need a text file, and to place the text file we'll be needing a directory. So I'll be creating a directory here. Okay, so by using the create directory create function, okay, I executed it, so I can see my folder created here, right? So I'll be placing the text file here. I have a sample text file. I'll be using it to do the text mining or create a word cloud. Okay, so I have placed the file now in the word cloud folder. So now before here we'll be needing some required packages like the TM and word cloud. Okay, so let me install those packages first. So TM stands for text mining, and will be requiring word cloud also. Okay, so there are some prerequisites to, while before installing the TM package we will need to install the dev tools as well. Okay, so let me install those packages first. So once these packages are being installed, we need to load those libraries, okay, into the environment. So for that we'll be using library function. Okay, now these packages are being installed. Okay, so all those packages have been installed, so we'll be loading all those packages now. Okay, so I'll be loading it. Execute it. Okay, so to load the TM libraries we require NLP package also, so let me install those packages. Then we'll also need So now all these packages are being installed. Okay, once it is done, we'll be loading the libraries. I should have done it first. Okay, it's done. Okay, so now all those packages has been loaded. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll create a directory path variable. Okay, where we'll be storing using the file. Okay, so this is our directory, we'll be using it. Let me execute it. So now a directory path variable has been created whose value is this. Okay, so now we'll be loading the data first. Now we have just created the directory path. Okay, and then we'll be loading the data using corpus function. So let's say my data variable name is story. We'll be using corpus function to load the data from directory. We'll be using directory source, then directory path variable. So let me execute it. So now story variable is also created. We'll be inspecting the variable or the text, you can say. So now this is the content of all the text. Okay, you can see there are a lot of words are there, and you can see here there is one document because there is only one file placed in that folder. Okay, so now coming to data cleaning part. Okay, so as part of data cleaning, we'll be removing some punctuation, numbers, and we'll be converting all to the lowercase. Okay, so as a first step, we'll be removing that or we'll be converting the text to lowercase first. So for that, we'll be using tmmap function. Transformer. We'll be converting into lowercase. Okay. So now if you inspect the story, you'll see all those words in the lowercase. Okay. So now we'll be removing all those numbers from that text file. Okay. So that is also done. Then we'll remove the punctuation. Okay, so it's completion. Then we'll be removing some stop words like the and all those things from list. Okay. So all those ports also remove, and also you can remove the stop words by your own. So I'll let you know how to do that by assigning it to a character vector. Okay, So we can also remove some white spaces between those words. It's all part of the data cleaning. Okay. Okay, so you have removed the white space as well. Now what we'll do, will be creating a term document matrix. So that is nothing but it is a table that will contain the words and their frequency. Okay, so let us create a term document matrix using term document matrix function. Okay. So now it is created, and you can also view the DTM variable. Okay, so it is created, and then what we'll do, we'll transform it as a matrix. Okay, so it was not readable, right, as you see. So let me create it as a matrix using as.matrix function. Okay, now we'll see the m variable. Okay, so now you can see these are the words and these are the frequency, like a back word has been appeared in the text for one time only. So like these are the words and these are the frequency has been converted into the matrix form. Then what we will do, we'll be sorting those numbers by frequency from highest to lowest. Okay, be using the matrix. We'll be sorting it into from highest to lowest, right? Okay, so now one s variable is also created. You can see that variable. So these are the words. Okay, and it is sorted based on the frequency. So if you go up, you can see the frequencies here. Okay, so the first word, wife word, has been is there in the text for 12 times. So this is the highest frequency word, and it will appear as a bold letter. Okay, so once it is sort, we will be creating a data frame for that. Okay, using data.frame function. Okay, so now our data frame is also created. Okay, so you can see here the d variable has 251 observation of two variables. Okay, so now we'll be seeing only the first 10 observation. So you can see these are the 10 observation from D, and those are sorted from highest to lowest frequency. Okay, so now what we'll see, we'll just see the data by using the creating a word cloud function. Okay, now we'll be creating the word cloud words. We'll be using the D data frame word, and then frequency will be D of frequency. Okay, so now here also you can let me run it. So here this is the data cloud, but here you can also mention like what will be the minimum frequency you can show. Like I'll be using min frequency equal to 1. So whatever words has been appearing for one times or more than one times, it will be there in the word cloud. Okay, so now here all those words has been appeared, because at least the words has been appeared in the text for one time. Okay, so it is showing some warning, and also you can limit the number of words by using max of words. Let's say we'll be taking only 50 words. Okay, so let me run it. So now only 50 words has been taken into the consideration to create the word cloud. And in case you want to change the color of this word cloud, you can do that using colors function. Colors equal to 0. Okay, so now the word cloud has been converted into the color part. Okay, you can also do one thing. Here it is appearing all those words in the random order. Like why, if you want to see the highest frequency, the word which is been appearing for the highest frequency should be in the center. Okay, diminishing from center to outward. So you can do that by using random order. To false. Okay, so now you can see wife has been it has been centered, and all those words has been, size of word has been diminishing from center to outwards. Okay, and also you can rotate this thing word cloud also by using rot per equal to 0.7. So now you have seen all those word has been rotated. Okay, so that's it from my side. Now you'll be able to understand, I think you are able to understand how to create a data cloud and how to control its shape, size and number of words. Okay, so now you can use it in your project also to improve the data visualization, data quality, and the must step needed for this thing is data cleaning. So that is very important. Also I told you will be showing how to remove the stop words from your own. Okay, so you can use the same syntax by let me use that story remove words. Here you can use character vector. So inside character vector you can place your own words. Okay, like if I place wife, then this will remove the wife word from that final data cloud. Okay, so that's it from my side, guys. So keep commenting, like if you have any doubt or any queries in Art Studio, or how to install the Art Studio in Windows machine, or any queries, you can comment it. And thanks for watching, and please do subscribe for this. Thank you.